So when we talk about the increasing demand of cybersecurity, so many of you may have a doubt like what is it? How we can be part of this increasing requirement and easy to adapt and easy to digest and easy to make a career as a subject. So which is that one like how we can take the next easy steps to become a cybersecurity professional? What is the high level division into the career paths? There are only two. One is common cybersecurity roles and core cybersecurity roles. I wanted to simplify as much as possible with my 2.5 decades of experience in this subject. I wanted to make it easily digestible and absorbable for all of you. So whenever we hear the term of cybersecurity, we are lost in unknown forest actually. We think that like it is something which is related to hacking or which is related to something like kind of a spying and protecting from the hackers and the attackers. Not exactly. Thousands of different lines of jobs are there. There are hundreds of business lines driving the industry, and we have thousands of cybersecurity career roadmaps into all these business lines. But at a high level, there are only two: common roles and core roles. Common roles are like the cybersecurity roles we talk about, like to assist the existing technologies. It may be cloud, it may be network, or it may be, we will discuss about later. The core cybersecurity roles are the roles inside these functions. When we take a network as the networking, or like we take the systems, we take the applications development, or we take cloud as the industry's IT or technological subject, then we'll have these common roles. Inside those roles, we'll have the core roles. Maybe analyst or the auditor or the maybe engineer or anything else. We will go through that, all these things. The common cybersecurity roles. So, the first level of division here, we 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 have this networking, application development or software development, system and financial and risk analysis, security intelligence. These are the common technologies which are there into the industry, and the securing all these things is the cyber security common roles, like network security, software secure software development life cycle, or application security, system security, financial security, risk analysis and risk security, threat intelligence, risk governance and compliance. And if you take the newest technologies like cloud or mobile or any other thing, then we'll have the mobility security and cloud security. And in cloud, you have again multiple other subjects like Azure and GCS and the vCloud and Oracle Cloud kind of a thing. And similarly, you have the data science, like you have lot many other volume-based tools in data, and you have the similar security common rules generating from these technologies. These are the very common cyber security rules due to and by the technologies existing in the right now in the time frame.